Yeah, we can make a lot of money with Google Translate's help, and I'm going to show you step by step what do you need to do and which country are we targeting today, because we want to maximize the profit, and this strategy is going to do exactly that. So hit that subscribe and let's go and do it. First of all, I want to show you something, and you know what GDP is, and if you just search for highest GDP countries worldwide, you will see top 15 in 2022. So the first one is United States, of course. It is $20 trillion, but then it goes China and Japan. Now, it isn't good for us to go with China and Japan, and this is English language, but this is what we can do. We can go with Germany, guys, and we can go with German language, and we will get a lot of money with it. Simply because we're going to target the German people, which have a lot of money, and of course, they want to get some things done. So let's go and make that money. Of course, you just want to have Google Translate ready. You can just switch to German, and now you can just test it out. You will see it will just translate whatever you want, guys. So just leave this open. We don't need this right now. We need this for the third step. But now what we need is CPAGrip.com. Now, you have maybe heard about this website. It is a website which has a lot of these like CPA offers. And if you don't know what CPA stands for, it is cost per action. Okay, so whenever someone does certain action, guys, you get paid. So whether it is email address or something like that, you get the money for a simple action. Okay, and this is the most easiest way of getting money, guys. So connect to CPAGrip.com. You can actually see that CPAGrip.com has 2 million total visits each month on the website, and all the people that are on the website, they all make some money, because you can't go on the website to buy something. Okay, all these 2 million people are making money, and if all these 2 million people are making money, I don't see any reason why you shouldn't do that as well. So let's go and get it. First of all, of course, you gotta make yourself an account. You can just click on this register button, and then of course you just have to complete the simple information about yourself. You know how to do it. Let's not waste time, but this is important. You just have to click on GPT. So this publisher type needs to be GPT, because those are the kind of offers that we're going to pursue today. Those are the highest paying ones, so we're going to use that. So make yourself an account and let's see you inside. Now, when you log in inside of this, first of all, you're going to see this chat window, and in this chat window, you can get a lot of help. People are generally like friendly in this chat window. They help each other, and you can actually see that. People are also bragging about how much money they have made. So for example, this guy made $63 yesterday, but just take a look at this guy. This is all time. Of course, you're not gonna get $100,000 tonight or overnight, not even in 1 month, but you can just easily scale that up just like this person did. So eventually you can hit this target in a long time. So what do you have to do in order to start with this? Well, first of all, click on the offer tools here. This is the button. Then click on my offers. When you click on my offers, you're going to be led inside, and right away you're going to get these like United States offers. Okay, so you see that for the United States, you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 offers only. Okay, and I don't know why is this the case, but what I have found out that if you just select the country and if you search for some other one, there are a lot more offers. So let me actually scroll down so I can find Germany. Okay, we want to find Germany for our today's strategy, and here it is, Germany, guys. When you click on the Germany, you will get a lot of offers. Just take a look at the number of offers for Germany, guys. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. Really, really good. So now we can just choose whichever one of these you want. Just take a look at this one. This is $25. Okay, $25, and this is credit card submit. So this needs to be done with a credit card, and because Germany is a really, really rich country, people are gonna do this. They just have to like credit card information. They just have to enter that. They don't actually have to buy anything. They just have to like confirm their credit card, and you are gonna get $25 per each one of those signups, for example. You know, now this is why this is so good. Look at the payout, guys. Crazy money. But of course, I don't know what this means. I don't know how can we approach this strategy, and that's where Google Translate comes. So you can just copy this title, and then of course you can just go back to Google Translate, and then from German to English you have to translate this. So it is get your content now. So it is some kind of a content. So now we know what can we target, okay? Now what you want to do is you want to copy this link so it can stay in your clipboard. Now remember, whenever someone clicks on this, you're gonna get $25 after the confirmation of that, all right? Now that's a lot of money, guys. If you like $25 each day, hit that subscribe button. Now what we have to do is we have to go to this website, which is called Trafficadbar. So you see this ad bar right here? Well, that's what we're gonna make, and this website is gonna give us that, and it's of course free. It's a free website traffic, but you gotta exchange your own clicks for those clicks. Okay, so you're gonna go and you're just gonna go and click on certain ads, certain like web pages, and you're gonna get a lot of credits. And when you go to your dashboard, you can actually see, guys, how many of these points you've got. But of course you can make your own link and you can target that to be in the Germany. Okay, so that's what you can do with this software. It is a really cool thing. So Trafficadbar. So what do you have to do? You have to click on the website section here and click on your websites. You're going to get in here. Now what you want to do is you want to add a website or affiliate link. Now you just paste that link from CPAGrip. Okay, that's what you got to do. And then you just click on add a website, and then you can add the title. Of course, because we're going to target those German-speaking people, we have to take the title from CPAGrip. You can just go back to CPAGrip, you can copy the title in here, and then you can paste that title in here. And of course, you can just make this for ad line 1, you can make for ad line 2, and now you choose the language of your ad and web page. So now this Trafficadbar is going to know on which sites it will show this ad. So you will choose German, and then down there you actually can just select a country, of course. Just select Germany. It is going to be 1 extra credit, and you can of course choose the time. Of course, this is not important because any time is good. Now you just click on the save button, and that's it, guys. Now what I suggest, of course, is that you run as many of these as possible. Choose Germany, choose France, choose Spain, and of course you can stick to the United States. But what I suggest, do as many as possible and you will maximize your income, okay? Just go and take that action, and I'll catch you.